Hi, my name is Darren, and I'm a tech consultant and software architect by profession, and a volunteer at DevCon's DCTX. I want to say thank you to Bro Joey for inviting me to share with you guys Appsmith, which is a simple no code platform designed for building internal tools rapidly. This presentation will not be an in depth walkthrough of Appsmith, but is intended to walk you through its features. So I'll consider it a success when you feel encouraged to tinker with it. So, Appsmith has enabled me and my team to build front end apps quickly, which we use for internal tools such as operations and reporting. It's very functional and flexible, as we'll see in the demo later, and the simple drag and drop interface that they provide as well allows for greater collaboration between non developers. The same goes with integrating data sources. So, we'll go straight to the walkthrough. Once you've created your Appsmith account, you'll be met with this dashboard of the applications you currently have. As you can see, I have some internal tooling for my startup, Tome.gg. For now, we'll create a new application. This is what you'll see. It's the main editor screen that you'll encounter. So there's three sections to this page. There's the left sidebar, the middle work area where you'll be designing your interface, and the right sidebar where you'll see properties, styles, and configurations. The left sidebar has 5 sections: pages, widgets, queries, data sources, and libraries. So let's focus first on what our app will look like. Pressing the plus sign will show you all the different widgets that you can use. One of the very interesting components that Appsmith has is the JSON forms, which allows you to generate a form automatically simply from a JSON object. So let's say we have this kind of JSON object. It's very simple. It's a task entry in a to-do list. We select the JSON form widget on the options. We place that JSON data into the source data, and the UI is automatically generated from the JSON. As you can see, it automatically generated a reset and a submit button on the form. And you can configure the submit button to perform a query on the press. A query could be insert data. But before we insert data, we need to configure data sources first. So Appsmith provides a lot of data source integrations. For now, we'll pick Google Sheets. And when you pick that, a Google Sheets integration OAuth screen is provided, requesting your access to your Google Sheets so that Appsmith can load data from it. I've already prepared a sample to-do list sheet that looks like this. Very simple. When you go to the left sidebar to click Queries to create a new one, you first select the data source, Google Sheets, and then you are brought to this page to create a new API using the Google Sheets data source. We're fetching many sheet rows from the spreadsheet named Sample To-Do List under Sheet 1. Clicking Run shows that the data was successfully retrieved. For brevity, we omitted the presentation of this array of JSON objects using the table widget, which is super useful and customizable as well. But for now, let's define another query for inserting data. So again, we can do the same thing and create a new query that allows us to insert one new row using the form data of the JSON form widget. After that, interacting with your app will insert data into your Google Sheets. And that's it. What would have normally taken hours or days to build an internal tool, set up your JavaScript frameworks, build your user interface, now just takes minutes. Now you can build internal tooling rapidly and focus on your business. The last thing I want to show you is that there's a concept of pages where you can design multiple screens. One might be for the data entry into the to-do list app, which we just did, and another page might be for displaying the whole task list. When you press plus on this pages options, you'll be presented with templates that Appsmith provides so that you can get up and running immediately depending on whatever you might need. So they have templates for operations, finance, customer support, and sales. A variety of things you can explore. If you want to try playing with the app that we just built, you can visit this link, add data to the Google Sheets, and view the Google Sheets yourself. So I want to say thank you again to Bro Joey for inviting me to share Appsmith with you guys. Again, my name is Darren, and if you're into software engineering and you're at the mid to senior level and you're looking to accelerate your growth in your career, or you're simply looking for peers who pursue excellence, or you're looking for somebody to study and advance your software engineering skills with, please check out tome.gg. We collect resources on software engineering, we build tooling that maximizes your day-to-day learning, and help you acquire and maintain mentorship engagements. Thank you.